Hey guys, how's it going? So you can tell from the title of this vid, we got a new bumper on the front here. Now it's way smaller. Sneak preview. So this is off of 2500. It's supposed to go like between, because you know if you look here on the stock one, there's like the hole in the middle. It's supposed to go there and like up, and it can actually go on the stock bumper. But as you can see, we had to customize it. It's not for my truck. So we just drilled through, reused the hole here. We had to drill this one out. So we're gonna cut that off and like make it clean. Probably need another bolt for security, but she's like not moving at all. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some pipe and weld on, because this is like just the start of it pretty much. What I wanna do is weld from here, expand it to there, which I already have 2 pieces ready to be welded. And then I wanna make a corner here and have it go like up like that and connect to the piece that I welded, and then probably a bar across there, and then maybe eventually put like sheet metal connecting everything to make it look like less like a bar and more of like an actual bumper. Right, here's the first part. So I extended it, not going nowhere, like nowhere. So fully welded the whole way around as best I could. I barely weld. I literally fired it up for the first time in like probably like 6 months and just didn't practice, but it's not bad honestly. I just gotta probably put a few more there, just get a better bond. But other than that, that's how it looks now. I think that looks better. Like you would think you'd want your bumper to cover everything, right? So now there's metal there, and we're gonna do the same on the other side. All right, so this is all done. I just put electrical tape there for now, just to cover the weld so it doesn't get rusty. And then I closed this, just some red tape. So that's all I can do at this moment, but we'll be back in 10 seconds, and it's gonna be the weekend. Back at it, boys. Next day, same video for you clowns. But so I got this middle piece mocked up. It's actually just not welded, it's just staying there because it's tight on each side, and it goes straight to this guy, which I just welded. It was kind of a gong show. I had to scuff it a lot to get it to connect actually, but now it's sturdy. So I'm gonna pop some more welds in there. I'm gonna have to seal these somehow. All there too. I mean, my build, this is my way of doing it. This is actually level. I got the level out on it. I mean, I think it looks pretty cool. Like, kind of like the aggressive off-road. I mean, obviously it's gonna be black. But I'm gonna go ahead and weld the middle piece, and then we'll throw the last piece of the puzzle in there. Eventually, something like that. Eventually we're gonna have to maybe do a skid plate or something. Like these things look so weird from the side, it's so stupid. You just see a frame piece. Like I'd cut it off, obviously that's retarded, it's part of the frame, you don't want to do that. But I'm thinking of like, I don't know what to do with those pieces. Like, I don't even know, like they're just really annoying. If you guys got any ideas what I can do with those stupid things? I mean, I like doing this stuff, it's fun. I'm not actually a welder, don't judge. Even though you already are. I think it looks pretty good. Okay, so we got it all welded up. Welded mint up to there. This is to cover the hole like that. It's not done yet, obviously. Tape to just cover the weld. I can't paint because it's raining and I have to go. I ran out of electrical tape. Outside's gonna get rustied. And then that there. So extended a little stabilizer thing. And then this bar across, give it some more strength. That was a good idea to put that across. It looks like it's going right through, but and then there's that side. So it looks like it was measured mint, but I did like one measurement for the middle bar, and like these ones were just cent, and I did get lucky all around. Like I love the way it looks. Like I think that looks sick, and it's gonna be black soon. And I might do sheet metal in between, or I might leave it the way it is. I'm not sure yet. So new day, same video, but banger baby. So I'm gonna plug this hole here. Now, I'm an idiot, because what I was thinking is I should have extended this all the way to the end. Like one big piece, there to there. We're gonna plug these two for sure for now. I got some metal, and I'm just gonna silicone it in, because I don't have my welder at this place. I'm at my place, not my parents' house. And the welder over there. So you gotta make do. So silicone should do the trick. Woo! Decent job. Now I wanna make sure it's sealed so water doesn't get in. So this one I just taped for now while it dries. That one's kind of drooping down. So I'm still thinking, like, let's see, without that piece there, like, I don't know, it's a tough choice. I mean, we'll see when it's black. Like, I'll paint it anyways. And if I want to, I can just cut it there and then put another piece on the end. Doesn't help with the red tape either, it looks retarded. Hey, you guys saw the grill, it looks unreal. Go check out that video. It's my most recent video, how to do a grill install and antenna install. Probably check if it's still on. See, is it loose? She's beauty. Everything we do here is beauty. Now, I do also have brackets coming for the roof for that light bar there. Because with this new bumper, it's kind of useless. But we're getting it up on the roof, baby. And then I also have 2 more pods that I could put there. And like, I've never used them. Like, I've had them for so long. I might as well put them there. The more lights, the better. But this is wired with my reverse lights at the back. So I keep this cover on so I don't blind the people in front of me. And we're gonna let those dry. And then I'm gonna keep thinking about this piece. I don't know. Okay, what do you guys think? Let me know. Yes, no, maybe. Cut right there or leave that piece. Okay, I got it off the old rig. Got it all stripped down, wiped up. Now I'm gonna throw some primer on it. I'm gonna have to silicone that so no water gets in a bit more. They're sticking, they're not dry. It's pretty cold outside, honestly. So I hope the painting goes well. And I'm gonna give it a mass primer coat as much as I can. And then I'm gonna have to let it dry, so I'm gonna take a long time. So bumper is done. Oh man, I love it. Oh, I absolutely love it. Still don't know if I'm gonna keep that. Might cut it right at the end, but you guys heard enough about that. For now, this is perfect. I closed off the ends of silicone with some sheet metal. Should be good. I couldn't weld it with the welder like I said earlier. It looks so good. And then we're gonna get the light bar on the roof. Wow. Huge change to the front end of this thing. This costed me $170 Canadian, $170. So we got the main part from here. You guys have seen the main part before. That was $140. And I got this from Home Depot, that XS pipe. It's like 30-40 bucks. Such a cheap build. And the closest bumper, the style I like, it was $1,500. Like, I think that looks really good. You guys obviously have your own opinions, but I love it. Looks way better than the red tips on the end. I guess, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you hit that sub button. We got more bangers on the way, of course. I actually was gonna get wheels, the guy bailed on me, but I'm still looking. I'm looking for new wheels. Yeah, thanks guys. Stay tuned for more.
On the rail, homie, on the rail, tell me how you feel.